whenever there is some problem, some issue, don't try to find out the solution for that problem. Then what is to be done? It is something like this. Suppose you are miserable. Why suppose, Swamiji? We are. Okay, you are miserable. Self-sufficient. Instead of pointing out because of him or her, I am miserable, then what will be your approach? Try to improve him or her. So the husband will say, I am miserable because of wife and therefore I must improve the wife. This is called as Ashakyanushthan. Impossible undertaking. You cannot do it. See? As many husband and wives you might have come, I have come much more than that. See? One wife somewhere told me, Swamiji, my husband calls me dumb fool before everybody. Tum bewkoof ho. I said, I agree with him. The moment I say, she became angry. Now you come to my house, I will not give you food. I said, Mama, unless you are a fool, will you marry him? Then she was happy. Now you will get the food. Friends, don't blame anybody, anything, any time, any place for your miseries. See, instead of that, miserable because of this or that, instead of that, now ask a simple question. Who is miserable? See, like I am talking to you. Are these two cameras miserable? See, is this mic miserable? See, I am not asking about you because I know. So instead of trying to change the world around, why not look within who is miserable? Be attentive. Then at the root of every thought, there is a seed of Mr. Somebody. See, I am aware I am in front of the greatest yogis of the world. I am not a yogi. I am a bhogi. I enjoy life. Mauj mein raho. So they tell us, see, yoga, chitta vritti nirodha. Put your hand on your heart and tell me, have you ever attained chitta vritti nirodha? To whom are you cheating? Because you are going the wrong way. Keep on biting. But don't disturb yaar. Meditation classes, they will be putting a board outside. Meditation in progress. Keep silence. Don't disturb. We are already disturbed inside. See, how to look within. Now, right now, you will arrest your thought process in a fraction of moment. How? Try to think on any topic without using a single word. हो गई बोलती बंद. चित्तवृत्ति निरोध. See, we use incompleteness in our knowledge. Ignorance or ajnanam is not absence of knowledge. Knowledge cannot be absent. Sat chit. Chit is knowledge, sat is real. Knowledge can never be absent. See, I don't know Gujarati. So this I know. See, friend, knowledge cannot be absent. Then it is the incompleteness in the knowledge. So when Patanjali Maharshi said, Yogaha Chitta Vritti Nirodha, after that, Tada Drashtuhu Sarupe Avasthanam. Now you all know this simple rule in any language. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyutthana dharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. Yada and tada, they always go together. Jab tab. So what does it mean? If we have to learn yoga really, these two sutras should be read, understood together, not in parts. See? But normally we limit yoga, chitta, vritti, nirodha and struggle. See? It is like online studies. See, friends. Therefore, tada drashtuhu sarupe avasthanam. Drashtuhu, the seeker, sarupe. What is his essential nature? There are two natures we have. One is essential nature and second is acquired nature. Nobody is born with a cigarette in the mouth and a lighter in the hand. Thereafter, he cannot live without smoking. So this is acquired nature. The real yoga is get freedom from the acquired nature so that your essential nature can surface. That is looking within. See, my friends, we are all the victims of our own acquired nature. If we understand this basic principle, then we are really practicing yoga. See?